हाय फ्रेंड्स, जब हम अपना एजुकेशन फिनिश करते हैं जैसे ही हमारा ट्वेल्थ और उसके बाद में ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो जाता है और जब हमें कोई काम करने की बात आती है, जॉब ढूंढना या कुछ अपना बिज़नेस शुरू करना या फ्रीलांस करना या कोई फील्ड में प्रोफेशनल बनना, तब एक स्किल बहुत काम आता है और उस स्किल के बारे में मैं आज आपसे बात करूँगी. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. सो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, I'm sure you are aware, and if you're not aware, that I would be really glad to share with you what soft skills are all about. So basically, friends, soft skills are how we communicate and how we present ourselves in front of the other person. So whether it comes to going for an interview after our education, or a lot of people also are getting into job while they are still completing their education. At any stage of life, we need to talk to people, whether it's about our business, it's about our job, or it's about our education. Even if you are in your college class and if you have any doubt, you want to ask a query in front of 100 other students, you need soft skills. You need to be able to ask the professor that, excuse me ma'am, or excuse me sir, can I ask you something? I have a doubt or I have a query. There is a way. देर इज़ अ वे. एक वे होता है अपनी क्वेरी या क्वेश्चन पूछने का या डाउट पूछने का. सिमिलरली सेम सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हमें काम आते हैं जब हम जॉब ढूंढने जाते हैं या जॉब मिलने के बाद भी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बहुत काम आते हैं. सो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आर बेसिकली द वे यू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ, द वे यू टॉक, द वे यू कम्युनिकेट. So the communication cannot be considered successful if the receiver has not received the communication. So basically the communication has two elements. One is the sender and other one is the receiver. And the center part or the transaction part is the content or the message. So if the sender and receiver are communicating properly, that means the message or the content has been delivered. So if the sender is saying something and it has been understood by the receiver, then you can say that the communication cycle is complete. But if the sender has given the message and the receiver has not been able to understand the message, then the communication cycle has failed. So this is the time we need to check our skills of our communication. Are we communicating our stuff correctly? Are we saying what we really want to say? Is the receiver able to understand? If he is performing what you want him to perform, then you can definitely be sure that your communication is successful or your communication is effective. See, there is a difference between just communicating and effectively communicating. If the receiver is following your instructions, that means your communication is effective. If the receiver is not following your instruction, then you take the responsibility, you take the ownership and rephrase your communication, reframe your communication, and now try to explain again. There are many modes of explaining or saying something. If verbally the person doesn't understand, maybe you can try to the text message or send an email, or arrange a phone call, or maybe you can take someone's help to make the person understand. But you have to make sure that you take the entire responsibility of the communication cycle. The communication cycle can be called as effective only when the receiver has understood. So soft skills play a very important role in helping us to communicate effectively, whether it is talking to a client, a friend, a vendor, a customer, a business partner, a colleague, or for that matter, the person who stays in your locality, your neighbor. When it comes to communicating, soft skills are very important. Soft skills make sure they ensure that we use etiquette, we use certain decorum when we speak to people, and when we use decorum, people also like talking to us, and that is how we become an impressive communicator. So I'll be making a lot of more videos specially for you on soft skills. So stay tuned and keep watching. Bye bye.